When everyone talks about Qatar Airways business class, they talk about the Q suite. But what about their magnificent Airbus A380? This is the classic product that lacks the Q suite's privacy doors, but has one huge advantage: the best onboard lounge in the sky. Today, we're covering the full journey to see if this classic social luxury still delivers a five-star experience. Pre-flight and boarding. The journey starts with the vast Al Morjan Business Lounge in Doha, which feels more like a resort than an airport. The first major perk of the A380 is direct boarding to the upper deck, straight into the business cabin, welcomed with their signature lemon mint drink. The seat. This is the spacious Collins Aerospace Super Diamond seat, laid out in a comfortable 1-to-1 reverse herringbone configuration. It's a generous 22 inches wide and converts into an incredibly comfortable, fully flat bed that is 80 inches long. For storage, window seats offer the fantastic advantage of the aircraft's side bins. You get a universal power outlet and a USB port right next to you. The one difference from the Q Suite is privacy. This is an open product. But for comfort, space, and direct aisle access, this seat is still exceptional. Dine on demand and amenities. The catering truly feels elevated. Qatar's Dine Anytime service allows you to choose from the extensive a la carte menu whenever you want. I enjoyed the braised osso buco, served with full linen and cutlery. The amenities are equally impressive, including the elegant diptyque amenity kit and the White Company pajamas and slippers. Premium touches still rare in business class. The bar in the sky. This right here is the jewel in the A380's crown. Tucked away at the rear is the onboard lounge and bar, a beautiful, fully staffed sanctuary in the sky. The design is stunning: curved wood and comfortable semicircular sofas. It is hands down the best social space available in modern business class travel. It's what you fly the A380 for. The verdict. So, does the classic Qatar Airways A380 business class still hold up, even against the Q Suite? Absolutely. While the Q Suite wins on privacy, the A380 offers a unique, luxurious, and fun experience that is unmatched. If you have the choice, definitely pick the A380 for that bar experience alone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more premium travel reviews. Safe travels.